Here is quick guide on how to hide your followers on Facebook. Whether you have a large following or just a few, by following these steps you can keep your follower count private from everyone else. Let's dive into it. First, open up Facebook app and tap on the menu located at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Scroll down until you found Followers and Public Content. Tap on it. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Who can follow me? If it's set to public, indicating that anyone can follow your profile, you'll see another option below it, Who can see your followers on your timeline? To hide your followers, simply switch the settings to Only Me. This will ensure that only you can see your follower count, while others won't be able to view it when they visit your profile. Make sure to save your changes. Keep in mind that you might need to enable the followers feature if you haven't already. Once enabled, you can set it to public, friends, or only me, depending on your preference for visibility. I hope this guide helps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.